Hey, Chappy here. You know, it's my goal to come up with low-budget filmmaking solutions for the everyday video creator. Have you ever been out shooting and wanted to just spontaneously put a camera somewhere but you had no tripod or you didn't really have a solution? Or perhaps you've had a camera that you wanted to mount on something like a motorcycle or a bike or something like that. Well, I have something to show you guys. I'm calling this an easy mount. I was able to go to the local hardware store and get all the materials I need for around $3. Here's how it's made. To make the easy mount, you need a 1/2-inch PVC T-fitting, a 1/2-inch PVC male adapter, a wing nut, a nut, a big washer, a little washer, a 3-inch bolt, and 2 hose clamps. These go from 1 to about 2.5 inches. Now it's really important to make sure all the hardware is 1/4 inch 20. This also is called a coarse thread. Make sure it's not a fine thread. Also remember that this is a standard size. It's not metric. The first thing you want to do is use a Sharpie and mark the PVC where you're going to cut it. It should be right in the middle. Now what you want to do is cut the T-fitting. I used a hacksaw to cut the T-fitting, but there's a lot of different ways to do it. Now what you want to do is take the little washer and put it on the bolt. After that, take the washer and the bolt and insert them into the mill fitting just like this. Now put the big washer on the other end and put on the nut. Tighten it all together using 2 7/16 wrenches. Now the next thing you want to do is insert the male adapter into the T-fitting. Now when I did this, I found that I actually had a problem. The washer was just a little bit too big and wouldn't allow the T-fitting to thread. So all I did is I filed the washer down a little bit until it finally fit. Here's me testing it out. You should be able to drop the washer in and out just like this. Once that's good to go, insert the male adapter into the T-fitting. Now I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, so I did it hand tight, but you can use a couple pair of pliers just to make it real tight. Next, take the wing nut and install it upside down just like this, and you're ready to go. Now you can attach this easy mount to anything with a round diameter. I found these really cool hose clamps with removable handles, so when you're out filming, you won't even need a tool to screw them on. It's pretty cool. If you can't find these hose clamps, you can just use the conventional ones that you can get in an automobile parts store that usually have a Phillips head on them, so you can use a screwdriver. And there you go, you're ready to start filming. So that's all there is to it to making the easy mount. Tune in next Wednesday where I'm going to show some practical applications of how I've used it myself. Thanks for watching.
CHAPPY Showcase.